Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called RAR on your Xiaomi 12X. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the RAR or zip file that we want to unpack. And mine is located in DCIM camera. As you can see, the file is right here, and in order to unpack it, I'm gonna press on it, and here I will need to enter the password because some of the archives might be protected by the password. So let me type in the password and press on OK. And from here we can see what's inside our RAR file. There's 3 pictures, which we can't see because actually we can, but we need to unpack it first. Just press on this three selectors and then press on the icon with the arrow pointing up. Now you'll be unpacking the files, and we can set the destination or browse where we want to select unpack the files. I'm gonna unpack them in the movies and press OK. From here we can also change few settings like ask before overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. We can keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. I'm not gonna change any of these. I'm just gonna press OK. So now if we go to the path of the movies right here, we can find these 3 pictures right here which we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.